media and electronic media. Today is my first interaction with you after I have joined as the DC Vinamasa. So I welcome you all here today. You are all aware of the Har Ghar Dastak program that is being taken up by the government. It's a call from our Honorable Prime Minister to achieve 100% vaccination for all of us, to keep our country safe from COVID. Our medical team, along with the BLOs, ASHA workers, Gamburas, have been visiting each and every house in the villages to achieve this mission. And we have a total of 2,045 officers and staff engaged for this program. And we have achieved, but we are yet to achieve some more. State government from Dispur have engaged 1 lakh officers to visit each district for verification of the vaccination program, and we already have 2 observers coming here. So from Guwahati, from Dispur they have come. So it's a program, a 1-week program starting from November 29, that's today, till 5th of December. You all know about what COVID has done to our lives. It has changed our lives totally. We are now leading a new normal lifestyle. It was not seen earlier. We are now with masks, we are now with gloves, we are now with keeping our hand sanitizers every day in our bags, maintaining social distance. We have stopped going to our friends, we have stopped visiting our friends, our relatives. We are scared of COVID because it's so infectious. And you never know, if one member of the family gets COVID, the rest of the members are sure to get it. And those having COVID with comorbidities, it's very fatal for them. We've seen so many deaths over in the past 1 year. And we are, like the country had seen a number of deaths. We've seen our friends, we've seen our dear ones, we have lost our dear ones. COVID has also affected our economy. We have seen unemployment, we have seen schools closing down, we have seen, it's totally changed our lifestyle. It has affected our economy badly. We have to now fight and chase COVID out of our lives. That is what should be our goal. Like, we have now to change ourselves from the new normal to a normal situation, like before. Now let me tell you about the status of COVID situation in our district. We have total number of polling stations 242. The target is 146,570. Target population that is above 18 years. First dose of vaccination we've already completed for 1,25,382, which comes to around 85.54%. We are left with now 21,188 population to be vaccinated. That is where our focus should be now. We've also conducted second dose of vaccination for 73,406 number of people, and second dose unvaccinated is 51,976. So second dose vaccination comes to around 50%. We have been able to achieve 100% vaccination. Polling station wise, if I tell you, it is 21 number of polling stations have been 100% vaccinated. And if we go village wise, 100% vaccinated is, we've achieved a lot, is 178 villages, 100% vaccinated so far. Last 10 days, government of Assam had given us a chart where it shows the district-wise COVID positive tests done and how many COVID patients we've got. So our district has got 19, and it's quite on the lower side. The highest was in a district was 929 during the last 10 days. Our district had 19 during the last 10 days. So it's a good effort from our part also. So thanks to the medical team and all the workers who have been there. And so they have tried their best, and we still continue our effort. Our main concern is we have 70 vaccinated villages here in the district. We will name those villages. People in those villages have apprehensions that they might have other problems. So we need to remove the doubt. Our medical team has visited along with the workers a number of times, but maybe it will take some time. And here I would appeal to the press to help us spread awareness that it's nothing, because we take vaccines like smallpox, isn't it? When we were small, and even now when we take our children to the hospitals to take a number of vaccinations, we are so easily giving them vaccinations for smallpox, diphtheria, for measles, for hepatitis, for polio, everything. Why are we so scared about COVID? It's just another vaccine. So we should now fight to let this COVID out of our lives. I will name those 7 villages where we'll continue our efforts. Those are Dijama Dolia, P. Wazang, V. Lekhi, Laike, Sol P. Dong, Lung Jang, Nivang, and P. Paise. These are the 7 villages. I appeal to our press fraternity to spread awareness amongst our people so that they come out voluntarily, not by force, they come out voluntarily. They understand that it is important for them. So together, I think we can achieve, together with you, with your help, we can achieve our mission to have 100% vaccination in our district. And we will continue our effort to keep Dima Hasao safe from COVID. That is my appeal, sincere appeal to all of you.